Big opportunities in life have to be seized. We don't do very many things, but when we get the chance to do something that's right and big, we've got to do it. And even to do it in a small scale is just as big a mistake almost as not doing it at all.
These words from the legendary investor Warren Buffett resonate deeply with every investor seeking financial success. Buffett, renowned for his exceptional investment prowess, believes that when the chance to make the right move comes along, it must be embraced, regardless of scale. In the world of finance, one such opportunity lies in dividend stocks, a pathway to passive income and long-term wealth creation.
But with public companies, a lot of people do buy stocks to obtain dividends, and they hope for regularity, and there's a signaling aspect to it and everything.
Today, inspired by Buffett's philosophy, I will present you with 5 dividend stocks for weekly passive income. Just as Buffett advocates seizing big opportunities, we aim to assist you in making informed choices when it comes to dividend stocks. Join us as we explore these hand-picked stocks that align with Buffett's wisdom, helping you secure your financial future. Before we delve into our stock picks, if you are wondering how we select our dividend stocks for consistent passive income, we analyze essential metrics such as dividend yield, growth rate, payout ratio, dividend history, financial stability, and industry position. By evaluating these factors, we aim to uncover stocks that have the potential to generate reliable income over time. Stay tuned as we reveal our top 5 dividend stocks for passive income every week. The first stock of our list is Medtronic. Medtronic is a notable stock in our selection, known for its consistent dividend payments. With a dividend yield of 3.17%, Medtronic offers an attractive dividend return for investors seeking passive income. One of the key highlights of Medtronic is its impressive dividend growth rate of 7.99%, demonstrating the company's commitment to consistently raising its dividend payouts over time. The payout ratio for Medtronic stands at 97.87%, indicating that a significant portion of its earnings is distributed as dividends. It's important for investors to assess the sustainability of this payout ratio and the company's ability to maintain dividend payments in the future. Medtronic has an impressive track record, having increased its dividend for 47 consecutive years, showcasing its long-standing commitment to rewarding shareholders. The most recent change in the company's dividend was an increase of 1 cent on Wednesday, May 24, 2023. Investors looking for reliable dividend stocks may find Medtronic to be an appealing choice. Our second stock is VF Corp. VF Corp is another dividend stock that we have included in our selection for its potential to generate passive income. With a dividend yield of 6.27%, VF Corp offers an attractive dividend return to investors. Although the dividend growth rate of 1.36% may be relatively modest, it still indicates the company's commitment to providing consistent dividend payments. It's important to note that the payout ratio for VF Corp is relatively high at 387.10%, which suggests that the company is distributing a significant portion of its earnings as dividends. Investors should consider the sustainability of this payout ratio and the company's ability to maintain dividend payments in the long term. To review VF Corp's dividend history, you can visit their dedicated dividend history page on Nasdaq.com, which provides valuable insights into their past dividend payments. In the third place, we have Exxon Mobil. Exxon Mobil is one of the dividend stocks we have carefully selected for its potential to provide passive income. With a dividend yield of 3.48% and a dividend growth rate of 2.85%, Exxon Mobil demonstrates its commitment to rewarding shareholders and offers the potential for long-term income growth. The company maintains a low payout ratio of 24.64%, ensuring that it retains enough earnings for future growth while still distributing a portion to shareholders. Notably, Exxon Mobil has increased its dividend for the past 40 consecutive years, with the most recent dividend increase of 3 cents on October 27, 2022. This history of consistent dividend growth highlights the company's dedication to returning value to its shareholders. The number 4 is Consolidated Edison. Consolidated Edison is a standout utility stock renowned for its exceptional dividend growth track record. As a dividend king contender, the company has delivered 48 consecutive years of dividend increases, making it the longest-running utility in the S&P 500 index. With a dividend yield of around 3.6%, Consolidated Edison offers an attractive income stream that surpasses the average dividend yield of the S&P 500. Furthermore, the company's commitment to future growth is evident in its planned capital investments of $15.7 billion through 2024, with a focus on green energy projects to achieve net zero emissions by 2050. Despite these investments, Consolidated Edison maintains a solid balance sheet and a reasonable dividend payout ratio, reinforcing its ability to sustain its dividend while driving sustainable growth in the utility sector. And finally, Clorox. Clorox presents an opportunity for passive income investors with its current dividend yield of 2.99%. However, it's important to consider the company's financial situation. Clorox has recently faced challenges, with a dividend payout ratio exceeding 100%, indicating that it paid out more in dividends than it generated in earnings. This trend is unsustainable in the long run. Furthermore, Clorox expects a decline in sales and a significant drop in earnings per share for fiscal year 2022. Despite a relatively high stock valuation, Clorox's stock price has decreased by 38% from its 5-year high. Well, that's it. We have presented you with a small list of companies that offer the potential for passive income through weekly dividends. Remember, this is just a starting point, and there are numerous other dividend stocks worth exploring. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and hope that it has provided valuable insights for your investment journey. If you're interested in discovering more undervalued dividend stocks and exploring the best investment opportunities for 2023, we invite you to watch this video where we go deeper into additional stocks that may align with your investment goals and provide further opportunities for generating passive income. Thank you once again for watching, and we wish you success in your pursuit of financial growth and stability.